Folk culture and folklore of Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu is deeply rooted in a great tradition of folk arts and crafts, which display the customs and skills that have come down from generations. The folk music and dances of Tamil Nadu represent the ethos, aesthetic values, and melody of the region. Traditionally, folk dances and musics are performed during festivals and community functions. The following article describe some of the folk musical styles and dances of Tamil Nadu. Karagatam is a popular folk dance of Tamil Nadu, which involves balancing a pot on the head to musical accompaniment. The Karagam pots are decorated with a cone of flower arrangements topped by a paper parrot. The parrot swings as the dancers swing along. Karagatam has two divisions, Atagaram and Shaktigaram. This form of dance is very popular all over Tamil Nadu. Both male and female performers participate in this dance. Acrobatics such as dancing on a rolling block of wood, moving up and down a ladder, threading a needle while bending backwards from a part of this dance. Kavedi Kavediyatam is one of the predominant folk dances of Tamil Nadu. When the ancient Tamils went on pilgrimages pilgrimages, they used to carry offerings tied on their end of a long stick balanced on their shoulders. A kavedi is made of bamboo strips and a light pole to lessen the boredom of the long travel. They sing and dance in praise of God. Kavedi Attam traces its origin to this practice. This led to the composition of special song for carrying the kavedi. Poikal Kudirai Attam is a dance in which the dancer puts on the dummy figure of a horse on his or her hips. This folk dance needs a lot of training and skill. The dummy is made of lightweight materials, and the cloth at the sides of the dummy swings to and fro, covering the legs of the dancer who dons wooden legs so that They look like the host of the horse. While performing, the dancer brand, brandish, brandish either a sword or a wisp. Parai Atam is a special type of dance in Tamil culture in which the performers beat the parai and dance to its rhythm. This is one of the oldest traditional dances. In olden days, the parai was used for multiple reasons, ranging from warning people about the upcoming war, re- requesting civ- civilization, civ- civilians to leave the bad battlefield, battlefield, announcing victory or defeat, stopping a breach of a water body, gathering farmers for farming activities, warning wild animals about human presence during festivals, weddings, celebrations, worship of nature, and so on. Parayatam plays a por- prominent part in all the celebrations in Tamil Nadu even today. Bommalatam or puppet puppetry is held in rural areas of Tamil Nadu during festivals and fairs. Skilled puppeteers manipulate the puppets with string or wires. They stand behind a screen and the puppets are held in front. The puppetry depicts stories mainly from the Purans, epics, and folklore. Even during Indian freedom struggle awareness programs for the common place were conducted through puppet shows to instill